So hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to open the front of this lens to clean it. It is a Nikkor 75 to 140 millimeters. It is a lens that I found on the internet, very cheap, and then if you take that into account, namely the price you paid for it and then the quality of the image you get, I would say it is a rather good lens. Okay, so what's the problem with this lens? As you can see here, there is some big speck of dust, and then a bit further into the lens there is also something that seems to be like a fungus, but then I'm not really sure. So what we're going to do is to open the lens to clean it. This is going to be extremely easy, and then we'll figure out if it has fungus inside, but then once you have opened it, if the one you have has fungus, you can simply clean it. So you have these two slots here to remove the front element using a spanner. I'm not going to use a spanner, I'm going to use a rubber cone. It goes very well. So you simply need to push, and then the thing comes out rather simply. Here we are, first element, and then I have my big speck of dust that I'm going just to remove after. And then here behind I saw something that looked like fungus, but then it's there. Very difficult to show to you in the camera, but then this is okay. Here again you have two holes for using a spanner, but then I'm going to bet my chances on the rubber cones. This one is very tight. But it comes. Then here, interesting thing, we manage also to remove this element here, and then I'm going to inspect, and then what I was thought it was fungus is just a fiber. Let me try to show to you this fiber. Okay. Yeah, it's there. You see it? Yeah, it's just a fiber. I thought it was fungus, but then it looked a bit strange for fungus. So we have removed the two elements we wanted to access on this lens. You saw it is extremely easy. Then here you have reached a few things of interest into the lens. So we remove the blocks, and then here you get access to the diaphragm in case you have problems with it and then you need to clean it. You have access to it, and then even if you have dust here on the inside, as I can see, just a bit, so you can simply come and blow your lens, and then like I did, you will be making a very good deal, because these lenses can be found very cheap on the internet. And then if they have like dust and stuff like that, they are even cheaper. So just let me put this in. Then we take this second element here. We blow it. Okay, I'm just going to drop it. this is not very nice thing to do. Okay, I got it. And then I just need to screw it again. And then it is in position. We tighten just a bit more, just to be sure. We blew again, just to remove particles of dust. And then here I get my front element here, which has a particle of dust, which is rebel. Went away. That was a difficult one. Okay, and then we reach the point where I just need to put this front again in position. We screw it again, and then that's it. I have cleaned a Nikkor 75 240mm in less than 10 minutes, and then it is in very good condition now, and then I can enjoy for a while. And then, as I told you, this lens is not really expensive, but then if you take into consideration the price you will pay for it, and then the image quality you will get, it is actually a good deal. So this is all I wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.